Hello, so today we'll be looking at two simple rice cooker recipes, mainly with the coconut chickpea as well as the sweet potato pumpkin rice. Remember to like and subscribe. For the coconut chickpea rice, you will want to rinse the amount of rice that you would like to have, then add UHT coconut milk to the mixture. Over here I added a little more rice, then I topped it out with the water required to cook the white rice. Add garlic according to your preference and stir well. You can either set it to white rice or quick cooking, and over here I used quick cooking because I was in a little bit of a rush. Empty a can of chickpeas into a bowl and chop some aromatics to be stir-fried with the chickpeas. So I decided to try using a smaller knife, but it turned out that it was more awkward than using a big chopper. Stir-fry the aromatics with the chickpeas and add in turmeric, paprika, salt and pepper. So the coconut rice is cooked. Let's fluff it up a little before adding the chickpea mixture. So I tried this dish out because I had some leftover coconut milk from curry, and I realized that the coconut milk made the rice super light, fluffy and fragrant. Presenting the coconut chickpea rice. Next, let's prepare the ingredients for the pumpkin sweet potato rice. Here's what you need. Now let's lightly fry these ingredients to add some depth of flavor to the rice itself. First add in the garlic as well as onions. Now add in the chopped dried shrimps. You can add a little more oil whenever it gets too dry. Now add in the chopped shiitake mushrooms. These were dried, so I kept the water used to rehydrate them aside. Add in pumpkin as well as sweet potato and stir fry till fragrant. Now add in the rice that you have rinsed and mix it well. Let's season with some sesame oil, soy sauce, and pepper. When the rice is slightly tinted, transfer it to the rice cooker for further cooking. Here I'm adding the water that I've set aside from rehydrating the shiitake mushrooms, and I'm topping up with the amount of water required to cook the rice that I've set aside. Cook under mixed mode, and there you have it, the pumpkin sweet potato rice.